Hey budget buddies, hey, welcome and welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, we're gonna be doing paycheck number 3. Papa did get paid, so we were gonna go ahead and budget his third paycheck for the month, or budget our third paycheck for the month of January. Okay, so if you want to budget by paycheck number 3 with your girl, stay tuned. So boom, y'all stay tuned and clear. That means you want to go ahead and budget this third paycheck with your girl. First things first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey, y'all, hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning budget bays. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, then hey y'all, hey, welcome and welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. The like button definitely does help your girl out, help my channel float out there in those YouTube streets, show people that you like it, and so that we can get us some more budget bays. We are on the road to 1,000 budget bays. So if you are new here and you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button. But not only that, if you're new, hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button, okay? I would love to have you come and join the budget bays. All right, and then also my budget bays, my normal OG 1, 2, 3s, baby. As soon as you get on the video, y'all already know, baby. Just hit the play and hit the like as soon as you get on the video, baby. Hello, you know it's me. I know it's you. It's us, baby. Come on, hit the like. I mean, and I definitely appreciate that down. It definitely does help my channel. All right, so look, y'all. We are trying to get some videos done today. I actually feel very accomplished on finishing up the videos. I have not closed out the budget for December, but I just feel like I'm too late up in the game, and so I'm a low-key don't want to worry about it. If you guys want me to go ahead and close that out, I can do it and let me know, and I will do it. Leave me something down in the comments and I will go ahead and close it out. I just, girl, the month has just gotten past me, and I'm just trying to get caught up and stay caught up so that I don't have to you know, be even stressed out about, you know, what we got going on right now. Okay. So with that being said, today we are going to do our budget by paycheck number 3. Okay, now let's move some stuff out of the way because I don't have everything out. I actually need to pull out my bill pay tracker. So we do have this. I do have the letters that we're going to be writing, which is right here. We're going to use this paper, this Papillon paper for Papa's check. We'll put that over there to the side. But I also do have my budget basics book as well as the Happy Planner Know Your Worth book. Okay, so we're going to put those to the side. We'll use those when we go to decorate our paper. Okay. The other thing is, I need to put those there. The other thing is that I'm going to pull out my calendar before we start doing the actual paycheck. We'll pull out the calendar because I do need to talk about what bills we're going to pay and what's going on for this particular check. Now, the last thing I need to get is our dots. Yeah, I already know we're using the wrong dots for that particular thing. Let's move out paycheck number 1 and paycheck number 2 to the side. That way everybody can see what's going on. We are right here on paycheck number 3. I'm going to check off paycheck number 2 because we did that before. And then all of the bills that have come out have already been checked. Okay. Now, for any of my new budget bays, in case you don't know, your girl is a budget by paycheck budgeter. Okay. Yes, I do a monthly budget. However, my month does not start from the 1st and it does not end on the 31st. Okay. The last day of the month is when I normally get paid. And so that particular check pays the end of that month's bills as well as the beginning of the next month's bills. Okay. So I hope that makes sense to everybody. All right. Now, Papa just got paid right here. He got paid on the 22nd. And by me being a budget by paycheck budgeter, that means I'm going to budget all the way until we get another paycheck, which is until the 29th. So we would have to budget from the 22nd to the 28th. And that's what our plan is going to be. And that's what we look at when we're getting ready to do our budget each month. Okay. This time the budget is, the color is this Looks like 10. So let's find that. Again, I'm in my wrong book. My wrong full of dots book. I love this dot book. Okay, here we go. I think this is it right here. Okay. So let me tell you what bills we're going to pay. Right now, we do have the life insurance number 2. That's done. We already paid that water bill, so that was good from that next check. We do have our Audible. That's going to be due. We do have the Wi-Fi, but I'm not going to pay the Wi-Fi yet. We actually skipped that Wi-Fi. And I went over here to pay part of my cell phone bill. So we're going to put that there. I also paid the other part of our light bill too. We had a light bill that was due right here. I paid half of it on my last check. And then we're going to pay the other half of it right here. I'm also going to be Audible. I think that's all from this particular thing. The only thing that we missed was going to be this Wi-Fi because I'm replacing it with a couple of other emergencies that we had, and we'll talk about those. All right. So let's move this out the way. And let's talk about what we have going on for this particular check, okay? Like I said, it was Papa's check, and he just got it on the 22nd. Today is the 23rd. So he just got it yesterday. So 01/22/26. This particular month, we're going to be budgeting $2,053 from Papa's check. And so yeah, the first part of it, we're actually gonna move part 1 of our February mortgage. Remember last week I didn't move any money over. Normally this will be my second paycheck put to the side for our mortgage, but since we wanted to restart our buffer in our account, we didn't do it last week. Okay, so we're going to start it for this week. So we're going to do $790.02. We're going to move that over for our February mortgage. Then we're going to move over 1/2 of Papa's car note, and that's his car note and his extra payment of that we're going to pay to the principal. But we're going to pay half of that. So we're going to move over. The bill is not due until the 6th of February, but we're going to move $300 over for that. That way when he gets paid again, we'll already have half of that money sitting there waiting, okay? Then also we have our life insurance number 2. That life insurance number 2 is going to be due on the 23rd. It's going to automatically come out. So it should be coming out sometime today. And that amount is going to be $107.66. We're also going to pay our Audible. And that Audible bill is going to be due on the 25th. And it's going to automatically come out. And it's going to be $16.18. Then we have my half of the cell phone bill. Okay, my baby's going to pay her cell phone bill. It's not due till the 28th of the month, so she'll probably pay it next week. But my part of it, I paid $149.55. And then I went ahead and paid the other half of the light bill. I actually paid the first part of the light bill with my check last week, and then we're going to pay the other part of it with his check this week, okay? So that's going to be $115. Actually, that bill is due on the 29th of the month. So again, like I tell y'all, we kind of be moving down into the end of the month, and then that's how we kind of allocate our bills, okay? We still have one more check to do, so we're doing pretty good. So we're going to be that we paid $115.37 for the rest of the light bill. Then I moved money for my truck repair. Remember, I'm trying to get my truck repaired, so we were just allocating money over there for that. That amount, I only moved $100 to the joint savings, okay? I only moved $100 this time from Papa's check. And then the other thing we had to do, we had to get a new dishwasher part. Actually, two new dishwasher parts. And it was almost $200. That amount was actually $174, y'all. So that's what, we just treated it like a bill. That way we can, we used our bill money on there, girl. And girl, it added up, girl. Hello? So let's add it up. $790.02 plus $300 plus $107.66, $16.18 plus $149.55 plus $115.37 plus $100 plus $174. Okay, that's gonna give us $1,752.78. Okay. So yeah, so we spent $1,752.78. We only had $20.53, so that's gonna leave us with $300.22 left over, okay, to stuff. Now let's talk about the way that we're going to stuff that. We're going to do off the top. Now, y'all know, girl, off the top, before we can even, really ain't $300, because off the tip it, baby, we got shit that we got to do, which is groceries, $110 for groceries, and $80 for gas. So, let's see how much money we really got. 300 minus 110 minus the 80. So, really, we only got $110, y'all, on the cool. So, we're not doing none of this stuff. King is not getting any money this month. Car maintenance is not getting any money this month. We do want to feed our emergency fund $40. We also want to feed our new car $40. And then we're not doing no upcoming emergency, but we will do the no spend, okay? So let's go ahead and just give the rest of that $30 to our no spend challenge. Because each week we want to do something for no spend, baby. It just is what it is, girl. We are not spending something. Gotta go each week. I need to be putting some money to go toward that goddamn Amex, baby. It is what it is, child. It is what it is, okay? All right, so 300, that's going to be so easy peasy for us to do. So we got the 110 for the groceries. We got the 80 for the gas. $40 for an emergency fund. $40 for new car, and then $30 for my no spend. Now the 110 is always going to be 250s, 110. The 80 is going to be 420s. The 40 can be 220s. Same again with the other 40, and then the 30 can be 120 and 110. Okay, so let's add that up. That's 250s, 4, 8, 9, 20s, and then 2 10s. Okay, 2 times 50 is going to be 100. 9 times 20 is 180, and then 20 times 10 equals 20. So let's make sure that's the right amount. 100 plus 180 plus 20, yes, equals $300, okay? And that's what we're stuffing. Okay, so that's going to be that. You know, we ain't got a lot of money, girl. As soon as we knock off gas and groceries, baby, we really don't be having that much damn money. But guess what? We're going to stuff what needs to be stuffed. Amen. And that's the point of this, girl. You're going to stuff what you need to be stuffed. This is for 1 week until I get paid again. If I got paid every 2 weeks, then I would be stuffing 2 weeks worth of shit. It is what it is, girl. Stuff that money and put it in your damn envelope. Stuff it and put it. Stuff it and put it. Okay, so this is how we're going to do that. Now, let's go ahead and, of course, I'm going to fast forward you guys while I go ahead and write this. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to write our bill pay, make our little bill pay thing. And then this video will be, y'all, let me pull out some letters. This video, I'm going to fast forward this, of course. And then I'm going to be right back. All right, y'all, so we are back with the bills that we paid. Let's go over them really quick, and of course this video will be y'all's. Okay, so like I said, we did move over to February mortgage payment number 1. We did move over half of Papa's car note for next month, so that's not showing on here either. Life insurance number 2 we did pay, so that's going to be $107.66. We're just waiting on that to come out. We did allocate $16.18 for Audible when it's time to come out. We have not paid the Wi-Fi yet. We did do the lights, and that total is going to be $230.76. We ended up paying $115 twice. And then we moved $100 for our truck. And then I paid 1/2 of my cell phone bill. And that was $149.55, okay? So as soon as my baby pays her portion, we'll check that off. And then we'll go from there, okay? Now, I think that is all of the bills that we have. We do get another check at the end of the month, so we're good to go on that. We're all the way down here to the 29th, so yeah, we're good. All right, so let's go ahead and put everything back in here, y'all. And this particular video is gonna be y'all's, honey. This particular video is gonna be, I really love my bill pay tracker. I don't know if y'all use a bill pay tracker. Leave me some down in the comments and tell me, do y'all use some form of bill pay tracker, and how do you feel about it? Does it help you? Does it, I mean, I know I do use more than one bill pay tracker, and that is very true. I do write things down more than one time, but I love this one because it allows me to see the open spaces very easily. Sometimes the calendar here is cute, but it can get a little bit jumbled up and convoluted because there's so much stuff on here, and you're like, okay, if you don't know what you're looking for, you don't really know. But again, if it don't have no sticker, it ain't been paid, period. It ain't been allocated and it been paid. That's just how I do know what's going on, but if you look at this, you don't really know. But here, you cannot miss it. If it's open, it ain't been paid, girl. So what's going on with it, okay? I love that. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back. That was check 1 and check 2. We do have check number 3 that we just did, which is right here. And then we're going to go back to our catch-all section. And we're going to go to the 22nd, which is when Papa got paid. I done caught up on my catch-all, baby. Y'all can't tell me nothing, baby, right now, okay? Y'all can't tell me nothing right now. It was my daddy's birthday on Wednesday. R.I.P. to my daddy. All right, so we're going to put that right there. So cute. All right, and if you have made it to the end of this particular video, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like. If you are new around here and you enjoyed it, not only hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye.